of the indicated protons in this compound would have the smallest pKa value? Right, so first of all, the lower the pKa means the greater the acidity, the higher the acidity. So lower pKa, better acid. So this one's relatively straightforward, but let's go over it, right? So we want to determine acidity. We look at the stability of the conjugate base, and through that we can determine a few things that increase the acidity of a compound. So size. The size of the atom that has the proton on it, the bigger the size, the more acidic. Let's see, what's another one? There is, electronegativity. The more electronegative negative the atom with the proton on it, the more acidic that proton. So there's S character, which we need for this problem. There is electron withdrawal through resonance, right? Forget the exact term, drawing a blank on it, but the more that I can stabilize the negative charge on the conjugate base through electron withdrawal, the better the acid. And induction, electron induction. So that's without resonance, just having substituents that are electronegative will draw electron density away from that negative charge. So S character is what makes D our answer. Okay, so the more S character in the carbon with the proton, the higher, the higher the acidity, the smaller the pKa, right? So this is an sp carbon. This guy is sp2. This guy is sp3, and this guy is sp2. He's part of a conjugated system too, which could delocalize this minus charge throughout the ring through electron withdrawal, which would make A more acidic than C, I believe, but D is still a lot more acidic than both of them. Let me think. Okay, make sure you know how to do this, right? This is sp2, this carbon here, because it's bonded to, has 3 different groups on it. It has 1 double bond and 2 single bonds, right? So we count the number of atoms it's bonded to and the number of lone pair of electrons, and we add them up, and if it's 4, we get 1s, 3p. Right? If you only got 2, right, we have 1 triple bond, 1 single bond, 2. So 1s, 1p, sp. So there's 1s, 1p, so it's 50% S character. Right? This guy is 33%. This guy is 25%. D wins.